This video provides an overview of 5G Cell Booster Pro accessories, which may come in handy when setting up or updating your devices. Let's start with popular accessories for setting up a new 5G Cell Booster Pro. The 5G Cell Booster Pro desk stand is convenient if you plan to place your device on a tabletop or counter. In addition to keeping your Cell Booster Pro upright for best performance, the stand reduces the risk of your device falling over when bumped. Another accessory is the 98-foot GPS extension cable, which is necessary when the standard 33-foot antenna cable isn't long enough to reach an exterior window. And finally, a Power over Ethernet splitter designed specifically for your Cell Booster Pro is also available for purchase. This is used to power your device when a nearby AC power outlet isn't available. In the case that you need to replace a part that originally came with your Cell Booster Pro, AT&T also sells replacement GPS antennas, power supplies, and mounting discs for wall and ceiling device installation. To order any of these Cell Booster Pro accessories, contact your AT&T sales representative or call our Business Care Center at 800-331-0500. And thank you for being an AT&T customer.